welcome back to another episode of Growing with Lalascrops. Today I'm doing another video for Maintenance Mondays. I'm going to be fertilizing with the Soyb's Organics Vegetable and Tomato Fertilizer. And then I want to show you guys how my cabbage seedlings are doing. Our last video I decided to reuse these seedling trays that I bought that actually had my marigolds in. As you can tell, it says marigolds. I placed some more soil in here, and then I transferred my cabbages. I already showed you guys how I did the collard greens, and I basically did the same thing. Just placed the soil in halfway, and then I transferred the seedlings that I had in these little peat pallets. I have decided that, you know, when I do grow from seedlings, I want to just use trays like this and place some soil that has nutrients in it. I placed the Kellogg's soil into these trays. So it looks like, I feel like they are doing much better. I decided to plant some more collards in here also, just in case these don't do so well. And I did plant some more seeds in here because I'm trying to get my collard greens up and going. So yeah, I mean, this one looks like it's doing pretty good right there, but the rest of these, and these were the ones that, I mean, this one's doing pretty good too. These were the ones that I had in the peat pallets, and I just transferred them into these bigger pots. And then I'm gonna do some other maintenance raised beds, mainly my flower raised bed. I did the raised bed with the tomatoes last Monday. There's always some type of maintenance that needs to be done, so that's why I decided to, you know, do some videos for Maintenance Mondays. So, but yeah, I'm gonna do the seedlings a little later. I'm just gonna go ahead and get out into the raised beds while the sun is not beaming down just quite yet. All right, you guys, so I wanted to show you how the flowers, the mixed flowers are doing. I actually had way more flowers germinating, but I had to do a lot of thinning out. So it looks like it's just mainly going to be zinnias. And I think I have like 2 or 3 sunflowers in here. I know this is going to be a sunflower right here. Well, I'm hoping it is. I have another one right here. And then another one right there. Ooh, these bees, y'all. My plan is place some more soil down here. I'll get rid of any little flowers that have, you know, are not doing well. Get rid of those and place some more soil around the base of these. This is my first time growing some zinnia flowers. I'm excited to be able to harvest these to make me some flower bouquets. This one looks like it's about to bloom eventually. All right, you guys, so I have started to add some more soil around the flowers. And you can see like the stem is still trying to develop some roots, so you know, I want to give it the soil that it needs to continue to do that and just provide some support for them. So I'm gonna see how that does for the flowers. Just adding that extra layer of soil in here because I planted these by seeds. I did want to take off some of these echinacea leaves that look like they look really bad actually. So that's what I'm gonna do now. That right there. Take those out. The flowers are looking pretty nice. I don't know what happened to this one. Maybe it's just hot. Ugh. But yeah, they're looking pretty good. This one looks like it's about to bloom eventually. I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize while the sun is not out. I need to go get my glove. A handful and just sprinkle it in there, and then I'll just work it in using this tool right here. Try not to disturb the plants too much, but just to get it in there. Come here and rake that into the soil. Ooh, look at this little worm right here, you guys. Yeah, trying to show you. See this worm right here? Okay, back in there, you guys. Back in there, buddy. So this raised bed is like one of my, oh, I got another one right here. It's like one of my oldest raised beds, so I definitely probably have some, you know, earthworms in here. So that's a good thing. Just smooth this out. Because with the Jobs, you can use this for soil preparation. That's what I'm going to do in the areas that don't have any plants just yet. Just, you know, prepare the area for whatever I plant. For whatever I plant eventually. So, do the same for this area. I forgot to show you guys like an update. But that'll be for another video, really. Today is just maintenance Mondays. Just showing you guys, you know, how I maintain my garden. I usually do this on the weekends and just upload it on Mondays. My cucumbers with the Jobs. Like I said, I like to be careful not to disturb the plants too much because they do have some roots. But they got in here, so yeah, I'm just breaking that in there. I'm gonna do my tomatoes. Fertilize the tomatoes. Put it around here so that they can stay healthy. I'm just use the rest of the bag. It's not that much left in here because it's raining. Oh. Fertilize, I'm gonna just rake it in just a little bit. Try to make sure. Okay. I just have to get some more soil probably. I just want this to go ahead and work in there since it's raining right now. So okay, you guys, so that basically concludes today's video. I may go back in on my echinacea flowers and prune some more leaves off, and then try to make sure all these flowers are standing up pretty nicely in there and they have the support that they need. And then for next week, I will be thinning out my carrots, you guys. I'll probably go ahead and film that maybe tomorrow, but today I'm going to just wrap up this video. The carrots are coming up nicely, so now I need to figure out which plant looks like it will, you know, do pretty well. I'm not going to do that for all of these just yet. Like, these are still trying to come through. This is the row that I planted last. I'm going to wait to do those, but the ones that are trying to develop as true leaves now are showing me that they are strong enough to develop into some nice carrots for us. So I'm going to record that in next week's video, showing you how I thin out my carrots, and if I have any other type of maintenance at the time.